Now I'd like to show you how to put in and use a Bravo airspace VFR transition. The problem with all electronic flight bags is they are not capable of displaying VFR transition routes as an overlay on the map. No program can do this because they're not drawn to scale. So we're actually going to show you the easiest way to have the information available and then put it into a quick flight plan. The first thing we need to do is we need to have those transition routes available. If you simply activate Safari, your web browser, and go to our website, pilotsafety.org, you'll notice a FlyQ tab. We're going to touch on the FlyQ tab, and if we simply scroll up a little bit, on the right is a column entitled VFR Tax Supplemental Charts. As of the time of this filmmaking, we only have one, but by the time you see this, all of the TAC charts for the entire US will be available for you. Now these are not the entire TAC charts, just the only part you need, the Bravo class transitions. So I'm going to touch that, and I'm going to download the LAX TAC chart, which was valid on June 25th, 2015. Remember, all TAC charts are good for 6 months. So this is still valid. I'm going to touch that, and it will automatically download. Now the next important step, once it downloads, is to save it on your device. So if you touch near the top of the document, what you'd like to do is open that in iBooks. So touch, open in iBooks. It's now stored on your iPad and very easy to get to. Let's plan a route using the coastal route, for example. So if I zoom in on the coastal route, you'll notice if I go northwest, I'll be at 6,500 feet. I need to enter it from the Vincent Thomas Bridge, go via the LAX 123 radial to the LAX, then continue on the LAX 323 radial until I'm past the Bravo airspace. So the easy way to do this now is just use your double click feature. Double click on the home button and open up FlyQ. Let's do a quick route. Up at the top, KLGB space, I need the Vincent Thomas Bridge waypoint. If you forgot it, just double click, go back to iBooks, and you'll notice it's Victor Papa Lima, Victor Tango. Double click and go back. This is much quicker than any other program because you're not leaving the page you're working on versus changing to a Documents tab or something like that. So Victor Papa Lima, Victor Tango, space, LAX VOR, space, let's draw that 323 radial out. So we'll say LAX / 323 / let's call it 12 miles, space, direct into Paso Robles. Let's go get some wine. Kilo, Papa, Romeo, Bravo, and hit search. It will create a flight plan for you. Look at that. Everything you needed to know. Let's now display it on the map. And if we zoom in, you'll notice that that route is the exact copy of the coastal route. And that's the easiest way to do it.